All right, so welcome again to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much for joining me. And Mona to lift the title this season. Can you imagine? Strong words coming from Craig Butler, Mona, head coach in the Manning Cup this season. So the aim is the Manning Cup. That is Mona's main objective this season. Before I get into the details, before I get into the article, I would really appreciate it if you guys smash the like button, hit that subscribe button, and most definitely turn on your notification bell to get the latest update as soon as it drop. As soon as it drop. So, guess what? Mona now looking forward to win it this season. They want to win it this season. Last season, they were very much one of the most fair team in the competition. Reason being how they played. In regards to pressing, they are the most organized and best pressing team in the competition last season. Now, you should expect something like that this season again. Possible way more advanced because the players now would have been really more adapted to that particular system and now well groomed to take part in this season. Quite a few friendlies, they have been successful so far. The reason why I don't mention most of the friendlies are the preseason games. Not much. There's a lot of preseason games, but I don't mention much because I don't know if all the teams would want to be highlighted. So I like the teams that necessarily don't have a problem with it. So still looking forward to some of the schools, doing features with some of the schools. So guys, if you're playing for any school, reach out to me on my Instagram and let me know, and let's see what we can do with that. Let's get straight to the article, people. I've been here wasting your time talking and talking and talking, and that's all I'm doing. So this is what Craig Butler said. This is the article. Said Craig Butler, right, Mona High School interacts with his players during halftime the Manning Cup game. That's from last season. That's from last season. This is the title. Butler fancies Mona's chance in Manning Cup. So he's looking forward to get something from it this season. So after taking Mona High to the quarterfinals last season Manning Cup, Coach Craig Butler says they are a much stronger unit this season and he believes they have a real shot at the title. Now let's continue. So according to Butler, with the pieces they have added this season, the title is within reach, although he was quick to point out the development of players is primary objective. The ambition remains the same, to develop the team as best as we can and give them opportunities to advance themselves through the vehicle of footballing, getting scholarships and professional opportunities. However, the squad has improved tremendously and we are stronger within our system. Some key players who had to sit out last year are now available and we now believe we have a system that we believe will be difficult for any team to conquer. Most of you guys would already know Butler's system in regards to pressing, high intense running, a lot of physicality. I'm running over. What I'm gonna do now, I'm running over to the page. We're gonna have a look at the Manning Cup. Just a refresher for the group that Mona is in, and definitely. Last time I checked, I don't think that they were one of the favorites in the group. I think they're one of the favorites to advance in the group. I think if my serves right, it's KT and Mona are in the same group. Let me check. Let's go. I passed it. Was moving a bit too fast there, huh? What am I seeing? Am I blind? Where is Mona? That's group B. No Mona. No Mona in group C. No Mona in group D. Finally. Okay, so in this group, definitely Mona is one of the favorites. Now there's the likes of Papin. Recently, new project for Papin. I won't say that they have the best squad at present moment. New squad, new technical staff, so they're working. Now the team to look out for: Mona, Camperdown, Idle, Wolmer's. 4 teams. Mona, Camperdown, Idle, Wolmer's. Those are the 4 teams. Kingston High, Yes, they're also there. Waterford also there as well. But in regards to traditionally, these are the school. And Mona is solely because of what they did last season and what they're expecting to do this season. Now, I'm telling you people, it's going to be a tough one. I think 3 teams will advance from this group. I think it's 3 teams. I think I mentioned Mona. Wow. Rough. I saw Camperdown quite a few games versus Excelsior in the Ali Cup. You know what? I'm going to leave it at that, people. Let your decision. What do you think? What do you think Mona can do this season? How do you think that? Do you have Mona as one of the favorites to advance to the final? Definitely. I do think that if they made it to quarterfinals last season, can you imagine what they can do this season with a more hired and well prepared team? That is saying that they do have the potential to really kickstart and even drive some fear in some of these teams and maybe overrun some of these teams. Now, in the group stages, it's going to be pivotal. It will be pivotal in the group stages. It will be pivotal because this is where the tempo will be set for Mona. This is where other teams will know how to defeat Mona. They'll get there, do their research, they'll send their coaches to the games, they'll understand how they play, they'll look out for the key players, they'll look out for the key aspect in how you can break them down. So, in the earlier stages of the competition, the group stages, that is where a lot of teams will try to find out, specifically the teams in other groups who are expected to advance will find out. You know, the JCs, the KCs, these guys tend to do a lot of scouting, they do a lot of, those are FCs, those are football clubs. They do the right things. But they will be looking forward and watching some of these games to see how they can stop Mona in their tracks. But can they stop Mona in their tracks? Mona is a well-oiled engine this season. And for sure, I personally think that they will do exceptionally well this season. I'm not sure if they're going to lift the title, but most definitely, I do believe that they will do really, really well this season. Anyways, people, make sure you smash the like button. Go into the comment section. Tell me what you think Mona will do this season. Do you think that Mona will win the trophy? Do you think that Mona will advance to the final? Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. Hit that like button, hit that share button, and most definitely turn on the notification bell so that you get all the latest updates as soon as it drops. Subscribe. MG Sports TV, people. We are out. Boom.